Zupa.
Good morning.
We go a long way back.
We go a long way back. Back in the prime days, right?
I think Zoop's calling me old, but that's okay because I am.
This is the master right here.
Oh, stop. Okay, turn it off. This is so cool. I got Bart Yakimak here at LAX in Slidell, Louisiana. That's pretty cool, man. Impact's in the house.
Ready to rock.
I'm excited about this weekend. We're going to learn a lot.
It's going to be good.
You're going to teach me some things.
Well, we're going to teach each other. That's good.
That sounds good, brother. Ryan and I don't care about your feelings.
Not at all.
We're just talking about some of the great food that's been served down here at LAX.
I mean, not today.
Not today. Yeah,
I'm
not
really
today.
hungry, but it's fine.
Yeah, I know.
You want some?
Would you like some rotten bananas?
Yeah.
How are the lights here? Is it pretty bright? Yeah, pretty good.
So we're almost done with day one. Lot of work to do. Pretty good rotation. Pace is a little slower than normal, but that's good on first day. Thanks to Impact and Notorious for the looks. Heat hadn't been too bad, so it's been a good day. So I want everyone to know that Michael Brown is not on drugs.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
He's not on drugs.
In fact, I haven't ever been on drugs.
That's right, ever. It's just been kind of a running joke.
Yeah, just
Now he does.
I'm just that weird. Just a sensitive, weird fellow over here. And I get my feelings hurt really easy.
That's not true. That's not true. It's not true. Don't alive. He's still alive. Back up. Head. Get him in the head. Oh yeah! Die, water moccasin. Careful. So it's the end of the day, and we're testing mount shots.
A++ is out there. Watch out.
A++. Are we hunting wabbits? Day 2. Here we go. It's going to be interesting. Going to try a couple more theories. See what it gets us. And don't forget, if you get your cool beer mug, Zen beer mug, check them out. ZenandTheArtOfPaintball.com. Go to swag. Dave is letting us know the difference between California and Louisiana heat.
Politics are better here, though.
Oh, 100%. I'm carrying a gun right now with more than 15 rounds.
You got to worry about other people's feelings.
All right. We just finished some mini matches. All right. That was pretty cool. And, they went well. Now we're watching them finish up, Impact and Notorious finish up one of their mini matches. Any thoughts, gentlemen?
Boy, sure is a hot one today.
You got to get Paul Heads in here, dude, from Image. 1999 FPL. Right? What'd you play with Image?
98, 99.
Man, I was in diapers.
Damn.
He was in diapers.
That man's a king of an autococker, bro.
I was not.
I was probably trained about that.
Team mom made it. She's
Yeah, she's kind of like a team mom, and she's an amazing cook. So, what's your opinion? Zoop. Good. Look at this. Might be a little heavy for practice, but 6 hours into it on day 2. Lots of points, mini matches, situationals. It's been a great day of learning, so we're really stoked. Impact's looking great. Notorious is looking great. It's been a good day. It's been a good day. Canes are looking all right. Hey, Drew, you're doing a good job.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. You're doing a better job.
No, yeah, he says so.
Bianca forgot to mention is how fabulous he's actually looking. There's actually a folklore that the movie John Wick is a depiction of real life Michael Bianca.
Rosie's about to cut the king cake. It's not even February, dude, or Mardi Gras, but when you're in New Orleans, if there's a holiday nearby, this is like for Christmas, Easter, Mardi Gras, you name it. Yep, king cake, proven popular. check out the new hat. I like that. That looks good. Does it look good on me? Let me know in the comments. I'm kidding. Don't let me know in the comments. I can only imagine. Well, I just got out of Mass at beautiful St. Margaret's here. I think I'm in Springfield, Louisiana. Anyway, just got out of there where I finished praying for all of you. So if you're going through anything right now, I hope you find peace and come out better on the other side. Also, while I was at practice today, I was walking around shirtless. I know, scary. And someone asked me about what I was wearing. It's called the brown scapula. Look it up. Okay, now we're off to Brits. Did you catch anything? No? We didn't catch anything? Where you use Kool-Aid chicken. Does it work for catfish? Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. Good luck.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Great day to die.
Stop it. Day 3.
You love?
What are you doing, bro?
I don't know. He's waiting for calves.
Burping some bunkers. And
Some Burks.
doing several more mini matches and getting things rolling. Last point of the day. Last point of the day. Notorious coming out. About to get a photo. I got to do my thing real quick. Impact. I think he should say something about himself.
I'm Corey with AP Photography here in Slidell, Louisiana. I do have a Facebook page called AP Photography. Also, we're on Instagram as AP Photography as well.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, go like his page. He's good.